What is up, creators? Derek here from DW Designs, and welcome to my fabrication series. Let's do this thing! What is up, guys? Derek here from DW Designs. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Okay, so the exciting news is that we're going to be doing a new series here on this channel. I'm calling it Tool Time. Yes, you heard me right, Tool Time. We all know the old iconic show from when we were kids. Yes, guys, I'm talking 90s. When Tim Allen had a show called Home Improvement. I grew up as a kid watching that show with my father, and I've always enjoyed it. So we're going to be taking some of the base principles from that show. No, I'm not copying everything, so just keep that in mind, guys. But it's going to be kind of similar and fun, because I think it'll be funny and exciting and a good way to showcase the tools that I use here at this shop to get the jobs that I do done. So with that, stay tuned, guys. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Tool Time. I'm Derek from DW Designs, and today we're doing a salute to portable bandsaws. Several reasons as to why I'm doing a review and showcase on the portable bandsaws is because, in my opinion, this is a shop or a home shop must-have item. Big bandsaws work great, but these work really good as well. So with that, we're going to go into the pros and cons of having a small bandsaw like these. Alrighty, guys, so we're going to go into some of the pros and cons of these portable bandsaws. Pro number one: small, compact, very easy to use. Take it on the job site, run it with a generator, do whatever you need to do. Con: very short, can't get a whole lot in there. However, I have found that if you're doing a really long cut, it doesn't want to cut exactly straight anyway, so a lot of times I can miss this by just a hair and cut some bigger pieces with it. Now, another pro: these things work great for doing exhaust systems. You can put a tube in a clamp and cut the angle at whatever angle you want it to be, and it works out perfectly. Another pro is the fact that you can buy these tables for it. Accessories are available. So what this is just a table that I bought. I spent 40 bucks on it, and then I welded it to a square tube here that slides into the end of my welding bench. I did that because I love the fact that I can just cut a small tab out right here, right now, and weld it right on right after I'm done, instead of having to walk halfway across the band shop. That's a blooper. Halfway across the shop to get to the other bandsaw. But here's the kicker: I don't have another bandsaw. These two little bandsaws is all I use. You don't have to have a big fancy bandsaw to start out with. If you guys are opening your own shop or you're starting in your garage, you do not have to have a super big bandsaw. Now, I will say I do have the luxury of having a plasma cutter. That helps out a lot on things that I cannot cut with one of these portable bandsaws. Have I run into an issue like that before? Yes, I have. But then I just pull out the plasma cutter and I cut it a little bit outside the line, and then I sand it in nice and smooth so everything looks professional. Another great thing that I find with these bandsaws is the blades last a long time. Occasionally I'll buy a new blade and one will snap in a weak point where it was welded together, but you know, that happens even with a big bandsaw. But so far, I put this blade on and I've used it for, probably 3 or 4 weeks already, almost on a day-to-day basis, and it still cuts like it was brand new. So that's the good thing about these bandsaws, is the blades are superb and they last a long time. Now if you guys are interested in where you can buy these tables at, these are made by Swag Off-Road. If you just type in swagoffroad.com, it'll pull right up, and they got all the goodies for these portable bandsaws. All right, so now we're gonna get an up close and personal look at these portable bandsaws. This is a DeWalt bandsaw. I had this for a couple years now. Had no issues with it. It works fantastic. The thing I like about it is it does have a little bit of a light switch right here. Puts out a little light, but not a lot. Nothing substantial. It has an adjustable speed, so that way you can speed the bandsaw up or down. And I love all the features on this one, including an adjustable handle that goes up and down, and it's pretty stout when it's all clamped down. Now here's a Milwaukee portable bandsaw. This came from a friend of mine. He gave it to me to use when I first opened this shop. As you can see here, here's a Swag Off-Road logo. And by the way, guys, I'll put a link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up. Now guys, I'm going to do a quick demonstration with this bandsaw. I won't be doing much talking because this bandsaw will probably flat out the mic on my camera because I do not have a mic yet. But we'll work on that here pretty soon. Okay guys, here's a piece of 1/16 stock that I have here. And we're going to start cutting. You see guys, it just rips right through that 1/16 steel pretty quickly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my push stick. We're going to add a little bit more power into the equation. There it is. That was pretty quick, huh? Pretty impressive for this little tiny bandsaw. So, if you guys like this video, please do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe, and we'll definitely be doing some more tool videos of tool time. So, if you guys like to purchase one of these bandsaws, I'll put a link in the description down below. If you'd like to buy a table to mount one of these bandsaws to, I'll also put a link in the description down below. If you guys like to see anything else or have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. With that, thank you guys for watching Tool Time. Be safe out there and God bless.